few things will be done today. First of all, I will implement a attack action to test my action system, and after that I believe I will start to tweak a little bit with the kill system, mainly because last time we were here I've made us being able to select the character by clicking on it. However, what will determine which character is selected will be the kill system, so there will not be a selection system as we did last time. So let's start. One thing that I did just to improve my testability is that on action system I created a target unit, and I will drag it here, and then every action that I am capable to do is going to be then every action on this test will be used by the selected unit assigned manually to the target unit, and then I will start to implement the kill system to change it, which one of them are targeting. For now, they will switch each other. However, after a little bit of when I implement the many enemies possibility and many players possibility, I will make for the character I will be able to choose clicking, and for the enemy, this first moment they will choose the lowest health ally. However, later on on the action we will have some way to some AI to choose which action would be most suitable for the situation. Probably assign some type of value to the action, and they will calculate each possibility and determine the best one for them. Okay, so let's get started. On the script, I will enter the combat action, and I will create a new script. Attack. Okay. Then this will inherit base action, and since it inherits, it has to implement the methods that it requires. So implement class. In this case is attack action. Then on action system, let me see if this is okay. This is already a singleton, so I will. What I'm thinking, there's a few possibilities here. One thing that I can do is for the base action to have a list. Targets. Called targets. And one little thing more, I believe I want to send the caster of the ability. In this case, will be the one who is attacking. This override is not right, so let's re-implement for now, what this will do is, let me see if I remember if I implemented the measure. So another thing that we will have is we'll have a reference to the health component. Okay, on the health component, I will basically call damage there. One thing that I did not like here is that the unit would have to know how the health works, so I'm thinking if I can change it a little, because I don't like the system is getting too much coupled. Component has a unit reference, and the unit has a health component reference. I believe only one of them should have it. So what I would do is loosely couple them by using an event that will basically do this. It will arcs to this so that I think will this is a class for the structure. Has to be a class, okay. Class. With these I have a public float damage, and then just to be on its own file. Okay. Now damage event arcs. And I will just, I don't need this anymore. I will then just taken. Then was equal on batch unit underscore on damage. Then I will implement this method, and with this now I can just say health. My health dot damage dot damage. These I can just go back here and say for each target on target, so we're going target dot damage, and for the damage I will create a serialized field. No, I'm lying, because I have a stat for that. So let's see, combat unit, we'll say public float get attack. This thing that I am doing here is to have one single path from receiving an attack, and I will not simply, for now it will be just stat.attack. However, later on probably will have some kind of buffs and debuffs for everyone, and having one single point of access to the stat will allow me to easily change the used stat on the go. Now I see cast dot get attack, and I'll have to pass complete. Let me see, I believe I implemented here. Yes. So I will first of all call base action. Action will be a public, not private. Action. Selected unit and on complete let's say that we have a private book is active. However, this is not right because if is active, then return later every character will have a action point that will be spent or not, depending on action point might be the way. However, since there's no way a character will, without interacting with the queue, being able to play again, probably I will just pass to the next character in the queue after the action is done. However, since I am yet to implement the queue system fully, for now I will just doing this to not allowing multiple inputs at once. So with this, now I have an instance, I have it here. Okay. So let's go create a UI to be able to call for the attack action. was going to create a grid pattern, but however, since they always going to be fixed positions, I believe I will just put the buttons here, and for now it's okay. UI image. Let me see the size of that. It's pretty huge. So I believe 75. Then I will create some kind of appearance here. I will call this BG. I will create a fodder for them, and the fodder will call action button. Then I will add a text here, text mesh pro. I will say it to extend to the size of BG. Set 0. I will call attack. Just MP extension since it's the first time I'm using it. Okay, let's reduce this. Let's reduce. And just save here. Let's reduce a little more. Okay, action. Fine. Now just to have some kind of that everything is alright. I will have a serialized string called action name. The idea is that I will use this name to change the name of the button. However, later on, when I have images for each button, I will just change the image to that. So this will be just temporary, and I will say that public string get action name. This will return action name. Okay, now if I want to know my action, I will say public is action. Get actions. Let's get a UI folder. UI. Okay. Now that I have this, I will just add it every unit will have a action. Well, we have the same amount of action. I don't believe I have to instantiate on the go the buttons. However, I have to update them. For now, I only have some reference here. Well, I will show you. I'll show you guys. Public, not public. Serialize field, private button. Private button, basic attack button. Forgot one very important thing, and that thing is to add the button component. Okay, let's change the name of this basic. And then I will reference the image there. So if anyone click there, there will be, they will call this. Okay, so this is fine for now. And now I have a private void forgot I didn't expose this yet, so let's do that. Get selected unit. Select unit. Then with this I'll go here. Get selected unit. Okay guys, I have a little bit of an emergency and I will stop a little bit and I will come back in a few moments. So until a few moments later. Hi guys, I'm back. And I've changed, I had an emergency, but I changed a little bit of the code, so I will show you guys. First thing I did, I was making the action button holder save the kind of action assigned to each button. However, I decided that I don't want the UI to know anything about the actions. So what they are going to do, they are going to pass the type of action that they are assigned to. So I created a enum, and then the action system will use this enum to call the correct action. So let's go. I will change this signature to action type. And call this type, and that's okay. Then I will create a switch case that basically is going to switch type. Okay, I have all the cases now. So with that, I will implement. I read one thing that I shouldn't. So 1 sec. Okay. With this, I can go and basic action selected unit dot get basic attack. I will change the name to basic action. Apply. Okay. That I will try to take the action. Here I will put the target unit, and I'll add. Something went wrong. Take action, but let me see. Start again for some reason. Caster, and on action complete. As I said, for now it's just is active equals false, and for now is this. So come back here and on awake. I will do the basic rename here. Action button, basic action button on click add listener on basic button clicked. And what this will do when clicked, will go to action system, system.instance dot try to use select unit action. The action I desire is the basic action type base action. So with this, if I will go back and okay, I have this. However, let's just see the whole flow here to see if I've forgotten something. Action, take target, damage from the caster. Okay. So if everything is alright, then if I attack, I will. Okay, something is wrong. What? First things first, I have to let's see it. There's a little one that was now. Let's see why the combat change is not. Oh, I see it. It has to be on start. Why has to be on start? Because many of these singletons are initialized on awake, and I have to do on start to guarantee that they will follow the correct order. For some reason it wasn't a problem last time, probably because the description order changed. Last time I opened the unit, I could, to ensure that they would work, I could come here on project settings, script or execution order. I could change the things here. However, I don't want to. I only do that kind of thing if it's really necessary, and I don't think another better way to do it. So now everything is alright, at least with the no error messages. However, for some reason the bar is not fully filled. But if everything is alright, I can call an action, and okay, I found some error. Let's see what is the error. Let's see if the selected unit is assigned on the action system. It is assigned. Okay, let's just guarantee that everything is alright. You should initialize it correctly, but you are not initializing it. Why are you not working? Let's see what is new. Okay, if I do play, and then I click action. Here is the correct one. Target is assigned. Oh, I changed the name. Okay, makes sense. What I forgot was I forgot to assign the basic action on the prefab. So I just need to do that, and things should work properly. Okay. Player. I don't want player combat. Character base. Okay. Has an attack action. Here. And the enemy for. The reason that I'm not adding the attack action to the same to the character base that are father of both of those prefab is because I believe it will not be the same action. Enemies and players might have different actions, mainly because of animation issues. I might want to do some flair with the action. Perhaps the character action gives the basic action, basic attack, that gives some kind of resource to the player, and to the enemies doesn't matter. So that's the reason why they probably will differ. But well, I will see it. I can change it anytime I want. So if that comes to be, I'll tell you guys. But for now, I will not put on the basic stuff. I succeeded on the first attack, however something went wrong on the second one. Perhaps this did not... what I believe it went wrong is that if I come here, it didn't reset the executive. So what I will do, action, I have to call complete action to see if it's been called. So let's go to attack action, and let's see if I'm getting here, and if I am not, wow, that's a problem that I need to see why. If I am getting there, there's another problem on the method that I'm using. So it's new. Why it is new? It is a case of stupidity. I forgot one thing here, and the thing is to say on action completed. That's the one here. It shouldn't be public. Let's do it protected, and save it. The thing is, I forgot to subscribe, so on action completed equals on action complete, on action completed, and now let's do this. I will change it. The start action. The start action will receive an action uncompleted, and the start action will be the one who initializes this. Action complete. And with that, I'll go back to the attack. Pass to start action on action complete, on action completed, and with this should be working, but I said that a few times already, so who knows. But let's see. There's one thing that I am doing wrong. What is? be an event handler. I don't plan to handle that outside of. And let's see now. So you what that? It's false. Then I will do a lot of things and try to attack me, attack again, and it's false again. So it should give, this should do some damage, and if I attack many times, I can kill it. Okay. One thing that I saw, that for some reason the enemy is not recovering its health on the start of the game, and this is a problem. So let's see, awake. Okay. Now after initialization, I will just update the HP bar, and now if I play as soon as the unit let me, so I took some action, it is working, and that's fine. So I have an action. Let's see what else I said I would do. The queue system, okay. Okay, the queue system I believe should show you guys the things that I want to show. I believe I need a whole afternoon for that, so I will let next week. Let this be done next week. And next week we will focus on the queue system, the things that I want to be made are. Oh, there's one more thing that I can do that is real quick, and will help. So for now, let's go back here. Let's come to the combat unit. We have the is enemy, and by the way I forgot to give the a getter. So let's do a getter. Is enemy. Okay. And with this I can on the go on the queue system, queue turn system. Okay, there's a sort here, and with this I will create some events to be made. First of all is to get the current character in queue. Public. And with this I just have to take the Q list and take the 0 position, that is the first, and with this I can get the current character. Okay, I have the Q turn system. Let's see, I can what I'm thinking, I have to have somewhere where I can tell which turn whose turn it is, and to change its turn when the character take to connection. So what I shall do is I have to think a little more, because the thing is I have to I did not decided yet how this current speed will work out. I know how to be sorted, so the first one, it is the one who has more speed. However, I have to subtract some speed sometime, or some kind of control to, because if I only just add speed here, then the character will just play again and again and again. If I subtract here, for example, you start with your speed, and then every time you take an action, I subtract the speed from here. This will imply that the more speed you have, the slower you are, and this is not something that this kind of logic is not something that I want to do, because I call the stat speed. And I made this how much more speed you have, the more you can do. So I have to think on the math about behind the queue. What I am thinking right now, but no promise can be made at this point, is that I have a character here. He has 5 of speed, and our speed has a current speed. Idea is that each action has a cost, or better than that. Action cost 5, for example. the idea that is on my mind is that on the beginning of his turn, he gains edge his speed, and with this current speed is the idea is that, for example, he starts with his speed here. He has 5, and then he acts and the action cost 5. With that, he goes to a stage where he has 0, of speed, and when this happens, when his turn gets here, he will add his speed. That will let him have 5 of speed again. My problem and my fear is, for example, if two characters have 0 and they earn 5 on the beginning of their turn, they spend 5. Depending on how I will sort the table, the operation, means that there's a chance that our two characters have the same speed and their increment of speed is equal and the cost is equal. They will always be on the same order, so only one of them will ever play. To avoid that, one thing that I can do is that before sorting, here I could set the index as the last I am not able to change for some reason. Why can I not? Okay, the last entry and my sort doesn't not change if equal, if both of entries are equal. For that, let me see here. So what I am doing here, okay, if it's higher or equal, else it's lower. Okay, so if B has more speed or is equal to 0, then B. Else A. In this case, if I do that, it should stop the sorting. However, this is a test case that I'll have to do to be sure. Use this test case. Okay, that's the first thing that I'm doing. So, this script has only to take care about the order of the characters and that's the only thing. However, I have to update the character speed somewhere, and I am thinking if this script has the responsibility of to do that or not, because it is an action-oriented thing to happen. However, it's purely queue-based. I believe I will create another script that will be the queue, a turn system. I will rename this to be just queue system, and I will create a method that will then if Q entry is null, log error character not here, and with this I'll go here and return. I'll just be easier. Let's change this to a class. And then this work. And then I will return here. If not, I will take Q. I will remove this from Q. Then I will add again. The idea is that I'm adding on the last position, so when I made the change, the one who took the turn doesn't have priority. Queue entry, and with that I'll do let's see. I will sort queue, and then I will generate queue and just see what happens. I think I'll create a update that will do on the queue system, just to test. Update if input dot get button character, and I will use the hue 0 dot character just to the test. Another thing that I forgot to add is after I find this, I'll just to entry dot current speech. Minus action cost. But I don't want them to be made on the same turn, so this will be called on the last equals then I will create a public void private void initialize generated, or even better here, oh, not here, I will call initialize, name to use current. Will do is say that Q0 Q0 dot current speech plus equal Q0 0 dot character dot get with this. I believe that if I click on keycode, this should make me see the queue updating itself. What is happening here? It is because I believe the red one has more speed than the actual cost, and this is what I was afraid of. So let's see if I'm right. Speed's 10, so every time he initializes his turn, he will gain more speed than... Okay. So what I can do... Let's see... The thing is, he's receiving more speed here than he's spending, and the others are not capable to compete with him. So, however, let me see if I do this to be 15 and say that his speed is 6, just to be more or less. Okay. Why is the blue one faster? It shouldn't be, right? Because okay, it is because even there, even the enemy has 6 of speech, so if he should be the first. Let's see if he's... Take this much time. Seconds. Oh shit! Something is definitely wrong. Let me see. It's not responding. Damn it. Okay, let's see. Let's attack this. And let's see what happens. Only one character in queue, that is the enemy. So they will go there and there's only one, the instantiate, and then okay, now there's two. There's two. If the enemy, Picochan has 10, and the enemy has 6. Okay, so I might just be mistaken from what it had. I thought it had okay, her speed was 10. Okay. Okay, now okay. I have to think again on the how I'm going to implement this. So I will end this stream for now, but next time I will have a better idea about how I'm going to the kill speed be calculated.